Hi, today I'm just going to be showing you quickly how to upload your DPA feed to Zuuvi. So right now I'm in Studio. I have entered my template. If I go into my left-hand menu, go under Dynamic, press DPA, then I'll be able to see all of the data sources I've already uploaded, but I can also say create new data source. So if I click here, I can just name it, for example, new data source. Just spell it right, new data source, there we go. And then I copy paste the link in from my feed, say next step. And then you'll be able to see here that if you have named the input in your feed the same as the columns over here, then in Zuuvi it will automatically connect those two. So right now all of these are actually already approved because these are named in my feed the same as the columns to my left. And then you can also, of course, choose yourself, search in the top if you want, and then when they're all approved, say finish, and then it's going to say successfully created DPA source, and then it's going to be right here where it says new data source. And then after that, you're ready to connect your data source to all your elements in your workspace. Yeah.